Hello everyone and welcome back to Sarasu TCG. We're gonna open today one display of Power of the Elements. I got this display from the TCG store in Lower Bavaria, from its Kriegergilde Simbach, the TCG store in Lower Bavaria. I feel like a TV announcer. Anyway, I'm gonna rip this open and I'll be right back. Okay, the fresh smell of fresh packs. Okay, let's throw this a little bit aside. Power of the Elements. I tried to not spoil me too much. I guess I have succeeded in not spoiling me too much. Don't know what's going on here in this display, but we will see. We will see. Trainingklage SiCaTra, Trainingklage Havnis, Trainingklagen Metallern, Sprite Schmetterer, and Schifffee des Goti. Okay. Alright. Treibende Mucki, juhu, I know this one. Crawler Soma, no clue, Hydra Lander Orbit, and Morphtronisches Telefon. Alright. At least we have a cell phone now. Finally we can call someone in Yugioh. Okay, that's a long name. Eisjahre Schöpfung Yugioh Cassis. Lustige Melfis. Trainingklage SiCaTra Überfusion. Okay, could be interesting. EN Wave. Alright. For Elemental Heroes probably. Narbe des Schreckens. Katorin, der versteckte Perle des Strandes, extremes Leben, und Askaan, der zweihörnige Goti-Agenda. Goti. Whatever a goatee is. Goatee is a beard style, isn't it? When you have a goatee? I don't know. Markiert in zentralen Dogmatika. Sprite rot. Markierte Austreibung. Trainingklage Merli. Edelstein Rittertame Rosendiamant. Oh, that's a long name. Terror des Oberholzes. Okay, not des Unterholzes. Boxenritterin Early. Die entlegensten, tiefsten Tiefen. Sounds like from Pirates of the Caribbean. Eher noch Quachposten des Goatee again. Guardian of the Beard. Wachposten des Goatee. Guardian of Goatee. Oh Gott. Ziffernstörung. Trainingklage Sudelkreis. Oh mein Gott. Oh mein Gott. Brillante Rose. Loris Dame des Jammerns. I only know Alice Dame des Jammerns. Apparatespieler. Eher noch Quachposten. Goatee again. Die entledigsten, tiefsten Tiefen. Doppelstaud Tornado Zwillinge. Interesting. This could be not too bad. Okay. Frühlingssülfe der tauenden Berge. Trainingklage Merlin, gefräßiger wie ein Rücken. Melfi Valley. Juhu. Frühlingssülfe der erwachenden Wälder. Okay. Sleeping Bear. Rika Prinzessin. Morphtronische Umwandlung. Crawler Soma. Und Morphtronischer Scanner. Okay. Morphtronic. I guess I know these Morphtronic cards. Aren't that a very old archetype? Wasn't it released in the early 5Ds era? Wasn't it? I guess so. Melfi Wally again. Our rabbits with two little rabbits. Melfi Penny. I don't know. Trainingklage Havnis. Sprite Schmetterer EN Neo Raum aktivieren. Okay, cool. Guess I have to build an Elemental Hero deck now. Moki, Apparatespieler, Goatee Kette, and Doppelstab Tornado Zwillinge. Alright. Let's see. Sprites Karotte, oh yes. Frühlingshilfe der Tarnenberger Querhüter. Frühlingshilfe der blumenreichen Felder. Außer die Erdkanalisiererin. Aha. Okay. Ultra, first Ultra. Morphtronisches Scanner. Gunkan Sushif. Ah, okay, Shari Rot. Nightmare, der dunkle Binder. This looks fucking badass. Hydral in der Orbit. Right. Lustige Melfis. Sprite Red. Sprite Crash. Tränenklagen Sudelkreisch. Muräne der Trägheit. Isn't that... oh, okay. So this is basically Pot of Greed. Hydral in der Orbit. Morphtronisches Telefon. Propagandanke. Oh Gott, diese... Alright. Goatee-Kette. Propaganda. Okay. Oh. No, man. Oh, man. A lot of comedians at Konami, huh? I guess. Alright, Ziffernstörung. Frühlingshilfe der tarnenden Berge. Markiert in Zentraldogmatiker, gefräßiger wie ein Schrecken. Kreaturenanzahl von Kaiser Tanuki. Okay. Yes, Apparatespieler, Boxenritter Early, morphonisches Orphon, Nightmare, der dunkle Binder. Das ist very cool. Das ist cool. How many packs are there? 24. 24 classic display amount. The only difference is every pack has a foil. Brillante Rose, Sprite Pixies, Frühlingshilfe und die Blumenknospen, Tränenklaue Sudelcrash, Frühlingshilfenblütenkrone. With a Raptor. Crawler Soma, Propaganda again. Den längsten, tiefsten Tiefen und Morphtronisches our Cellphone. Juhu! Cellphone. No elemental hero neos. Yet. It could still appear. Eisjahr Schöpfung Agerio Cassis, Frühlingshilfe und Jahreszeitwechsel, markiert den zentralen Dogmatiker, Frühlingshilfe und der Tauende Berge, Exo-Schwester Rückanei. Alright. Für die Exos ist das. Vergnügliche Attraktionen Nervenkitzelzug, Aska, Netzwerk Guti, Vorhaut des Untergrundkaisers. Nice. Morphtronisches Ohrphone. Ohrphone, right? Not a cell phone. It's a Ohrphone. Earphone. Ja. Brillante Rose, lustige Melfis, Querhüte, Melfi Wally and Melfi Blickduell. Stare down. Melfi stare down, is it the correct... Really? You wanna do a stare down with the Melfis? Vergnügliche Attraktion Nerven, irgendwas? Terror des Oberholzes, morphtronisches Scanner and Hydral in the Orbit. Stare down with the Melfis. It's a permanent spell. Oh my god. This is gonna take a while, I guess. Never do a stare down with the Melfis. Never. Very bad idea. Sprite, Carrot, Melfi, Penny. Frühlingshilfe und die Blumenknospen. Also die Schöpfung Cassis and Urplan. Oh, our first SiCaTra. It's time to pull one. Urplanet Perlerino. Pellerino. No, it's not Italian. Urplanet Pellerino. Alright. Okay. Take it. SiCaTra. Always nice. Vorhut des Untergrundkaisers. Goatee-Kette. Mimese-Elefant. Okay. Gunkan Sushif Shari Rot. Red. Okay. Tränenklagen schreit hart. Lustige Melfis. Sprite Crushing. Tränenklagen Metal Lärm. Oh. Die Ashura King. He looks cool. Oh boy. Asura King, probably. Ashura King. Level 3. 2100 decay. Not bad. Rank 3. I'm sorry. Nice. He's a banger. Oh my god. No. Ihr noch Quachpost des Goatee, Terror des Oberholzes und Doppelstabtornado Zwillinge. Zip. Sprite Red. Sprite Gamma, whatever, Überfusion. Milfipidi. And Venschrecken Aasfresser. Oh. He is also very nice. Like this artwork. Absolutely. Nightmare, der dunkle Beine, again. Extremes Leben auf thronischer Wandel und vergnügliche Attraktionen Nervenkitzelzug. Der Nervenkitzelzug, yes. We have all been on the Nervenkitzelzug. Sprite Gamma Ausbruch, Sprite Red, lustige Melvis, Marke der Ausbruch, and again ein Venschrecken Ausfresser. Propagandaminister, Rika Prinzessin, Terror des Oberortes und treibender Moki Moki. The guy who played with the Moki Mokis in Yu-Gi-Oh! Cheeks was definitely so high. Probably he had too much of the Nervenkitzelzug. Melfi Wally, Füllingshilfe der blumenreichen Felder, eiserne Schöpfung Yugioh Cassis. Füllingshilfe und die Blumenknospen, Werkzeug Tapferdrache. This looks like evolution of the power tool drain. Yes. Nice. Nice to see that this relative old card still gets some updates. Ganken Sushiv Sharirut, Vorhut des Untergrundkreises, Maftronisches Earphone and Boxenritterin Early. Right. Very early. So, we got Überfusion, Frühlingshilfe der blumenreichen Felder, Sprite Carrot, Tränenklagen Schreitart, and oh yes, this is the one I definitely wanted. Elemental Hero Ghost Neos, or Ghost of Neos. This is very nice. Cool. This effect is pretty nice. Maybe if a monster attacks or declares an attack, I can special summon this card from my hand in defense position, and if I do that, it cannot be destroyed through battle. If this card is summoned as special summon, you can add one polymerization or one trap or spell with the name that contains the name Elemental Hero from your deck to your hand. And your main phase, you can shuffle this card back into your deck, and if you do that, you can special summon one normal Elemental Hero monster as special summon from your deck. You can only use every effect from Elemental Hero Ghost of Neos once per turn. Nice. Very nice. Askan, der 200 Goatee, vergnügliche Attraktion, Nervenkitzelzug again. Ihr noch Quachpost des Goatee, extremes Leben. Extreme life, it definitely is extreme life. Every day is an extreme day, we only have extremes. There's nothing like opening Yu-Gi-Oh! Packs at 11 AM in Germany. Ziffernstellung, die fräsige Venschrecken, Sprite Pixies, Querhüter and Frühlingshilfe der aufblühende den Hügel. Looks like the thing from Peter Pan. Little elf thing. No, I'm not gonna pronounce that. Nightmare, der dunkle Beine, extremes Leben, Doppelstab, Tornado, Zwillinge. Yep. That's it. Sprite Carrot, love the carrots. Sprite Ausbruch, Füllingshilfe und der Raritätenwechsel, markierte Austreibung. Und Albers, der Arschfahne, again, one for the all that this pure Albers thing stuff I never play and everybody plays, but I don't know. Not my style. Not quite my style. Now, but this means Schreckens, Morphtronische Umwandler, Morphtronische Scanner, and Vorhut des Untergrundkreises. Alright. Reptile. Still, it's not a fiend. It's a reptile. I need some more powerful fiend-type monsters, but... Anyway. Overfusion, probably. Eiserne Schöpfung, Yugioh Cassis, this long name again, Tränenklage, Merli, Meth-Mech, Kreis, Circle. Interesting. Meth-Mech. Nice. Goatee-Kette. Die entlegensten, tiefsten Tiefen. Mimese-Elefant. Is this a trap monster? Oh yes, it is. Well, the effect is more or less not the yellow from the egg. If you know what I mean. Okay. Tränenklage im Meer liegen. Sprite Gamma-Ausbruch. Frühlingshilfe der tarnenden Berge. Frühlingshilfe der... Oh, this next one could be... No, it's a link monster. Schreckensklaue Lichthart. Why is it so... You know? Not Yugioh. Why is it not Yugioh? Why is it not Yugioh? You know? No. Kanken so viel Chariot, Mimese Elefant, eine Narbe des Weinschreckens. Okay, Sprite Pixies, Tränenklagen Metalllärm, Sprite Schmetterer, Tränenklage Hafnis, and Edelsteinritter Quarz. Definitely nice, the foil. Love that. Moki, juhu! Auf den ich umwandle. Askan, jetzt für eine Guti. And again, the Double Dust Tornado. So, last pack. We went through this 24 packs very quick. Okay, sorry. Tränenklage Schreiter. Tränenklage Merli. Tränenklagen Sudelkreisch. Ziffernstörung and Flammenkumpan EK. Alright. Completely different monster now. Alright. Extremes Leben, aufdrückliches Telefon, Early-Dings and the Scanner. Alright. Again, a lot of packs. A lot of cards. Here's the staple of comments. Here the staple of foils. 24 foils in total. What a surprise. With every pack has one foil. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Gotta say. Oh my god. And drop it. Instantly price drop. Damaged. No. This is pretty cool. Oh my god. Loved it. 2 level 3 monsters. Now 3 or more monsters there. Ooh, okay. 3 or more, okay. Not so easy to summon, but definitely awesome. I like this very much. The other SiCaTra, I have no clue, but it's cool. Anyway, as always, thank you very much for watching. As I said in the beginning, this display is from the TCG store in Lower Bavaria, Kriegergilde Simbach. Check it out if you are from Germany or Austria or Switzerland. And my usual words, thanks very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.